Rapper Mika Singh has stepped in for Farah Khan on Zee Comedy Show for 2 weeks starting September 11 as Farah has tested positive for COVID-19. Farah confirmed the news on her Instagram handle. The actress had written, "I wonder if this happened because I did not put my Kala Tika. Despite being double vaccinated and working with mostly double vaxxed people, I have still managed to test positive for COVID. I have already informed everyone I came in contact with to get tested. However, if I have forgotten someone because of old age and fading memory, please test yourself, hoping to recover soon." Mika has shot for 2 episodes with Raveena Tandon and Malika Sherawat as well as this week, but he was missing Farah beside him during the shoot. Mika revealed, "It is unfortunate that Farah tested positive despite being double vaccinated, and it clearly proves that you cannot predict anything in the current scenario. I have spoken to her and it is great to know that she's doing fine, and I really hope she gets well soon. Last time around, I shot for Zee Comedy Show as a special guest, and I really had a gala time with Farah, so I do miss her beside me. But as you know, the show must go on, and with an aim to spread cheer and joy among the audience in this gloomy time. We have shot for 2 episodes with Raveena Tandon and Malika Sherawat. All the comedians made us laugh out loud, and I hope everyone enjoys my presence on the show for 2 weeks. I will entertain everyone with my music and my witty comments, and I hope they shower the same amount of love on me too." Farah recently directed a music video, Saath Kya Nibhaoge, starring Sonu Sood and Nidhi Agarwal. Zee Comedy Show is on Zee TV. The two teams in the show each have a mix of comedians, actors and singers including Ali Asgar, Sugandha Mishra Bhosle, Sanket Bhosle, Gaurav Dubey, Balraj, Siddharth Sagar, Divyansh Trivedi, Tejasvi Prakash, Aditya Narayan, Puneet J. Pathak and Chitrashi Rawat.